Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to see you again. And if you're returning, welcome back. Alright, so let's get straight into it. So, on one of my high tips, I thought about a banana strawberry cheesecake, and I was like, you know what, I'm about to make this. So I go to the store and I get a few supplies. I smush up 2 bananas really good. Like, I smushed it up as if like I was giving it to a baby. So it's all ready and I set it to the side. I heated up my cream cheese for about 25 seconds just to get it like soft enough to like get to stirring. I add my sugar and then my sour cream. Stir it up real good. Stir it. Then I added some of the bananas. I left some of them out so I can put them on top and between the layers. Then I got out the hand blender and I got to blending everything up. I call myself trying to add yellow food coloring so I can make it like a yellow color, but I probably should have added more, so let's just ignore that I did that and we're gonna continue. So then I just pretty much just started doing the layers. It was crust, cheesecake, strawberries, crust, bananas, cheesecake, crust, strawberries. It was just layer until I got done. And it was super fun. It was super exciting. I so could not wait to just devour this. But I had to wait a few hours until everything just like solidified. And I put more strawberries on top just to top it off, and this is how it looks afterwards. It was so delicious, so bomb. It's so cute. I never done it before. I had fun.